Hey everyone, Brandon here, Florida Outdoors RV. I want to show you this Forest River Flagstaff. Beautiful, beautiful layout. Got our island area here with our stools, lots of counter space throughout. Rear living room situation here with the dinette, nice big Toshiba flat screen TV. All your controls here. Nice front living or front bedroom area. Lots of wardrobe space, as well as got our USB chargers. Got a little nook here too. Nice big bathroom, easy access. Got our plug here. Got lots of great storage here as well. Alright, taking a look on the outside. Alright, we have LED lighting under here, both awnings here, dual awnings, really great. Dual propane, automatic tongue jack, beautiful front cap here as well, and of course slide toppers. If you have any questions about this RV, feel free to give us a call at the number on this page. Be more than glad to show you around. Alright, thanks so much for watching. Have a great day.